Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Aura frame is unable to recognize nearby Wi-Fi networks, new photos may stop syncing and the frame may remain offline even though your internet is working normally. This type of issue can occur because of network settings, signal limitations, temporary software glitches, or communication problems between the Aura frame and the router. The best part is that many Wi-Fi detection problems can be resolved without complicated troubleshooting. A few quick checks are often enough to help the Aura frame discover available networks again. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that may help restore Wi-Fi connectivity on your Aura frame. Try these. Step 1. Check the Wi-Fi signal near the Aura frame. Step 2. Restart the Aura frame. Step 3. Reboot the router used by the Aura frame. Step 4. Move the Aura frame closer to the router. Step 5. Refresh network settings on the Aura frame. Step 6. Scan for Wi-Fi again on the Aura frame.